just feel like home. And the music with the laughter seemed to soothe my loneliness. Turn it up, turn it up, turn me loose from your memories, driving me lonely, crazy and blue. It helps me forget her, so the louder the better. Hey, mister, turn it on, turn it up, turn me loose. If a tear should fall, if I should whisper her name to some stranger I'm holding while we're dancing to an old Buck Owens song, I know she won't mind. She won't even know. She'll be dancing with the memory, crying teardrops of her own. Turn it up, turn it up, turn me loose from her memories, driving me lonely, crazy and blue. It helps me forget her, so the louder the better. Hey, mister, turn it on, turn it up, turn me loose. Turn it on, turn it up, turn me loose.
When it's roundup time in Texas and the bloom is on the sage, then I long to be in Texas, back riding on the range. Just smell the bacon frying when sizzling in the pan. Hear the breakfast horn in the early morn, drinking coffee from a can. Just riding, rockin', roping, pounding leather all day long. Just swaying, sweating, swearing, listening to a cowhand song. How it beckons, and I reckon I would work for any wage to be free again, just to be again where the bloom is on the sage. E-O-D-E, 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 E-O-D-E. To some folks there's a spot that lives forever.